In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notes in NotebookLM and turn them into sources. Let's dive right in and explore each step clearly and simply so you can enhance your note-taking skills efficiently. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll want to type NotebookLM into the search bar. Hit enter and give it a second to load the results. Now, among the search results, you should see the official NotebookLM website. Click on it, and this action will take you directly to their platform's interface. Once you're on the NotebookLM site, look for the option that says, Try NotebookLM. This is usually prominently displayed to catch your attention, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in, to start creating new content, simply click on Create New. This is your first step to entering into a space where you can document your thoughts, ideas, or research material. Next, you'll see an option to upload sources. This feature is particularly beneficial if you have pre-existing content you wish to integrate or reference. Clicking on this will prompt you to select a file from your device. Choose the file you want to use as a source and upload it into the system. With the source uploaded, what you'll need to do next is type in a prompt. This is where you can get creative or specific, depending on what you need. For example, a simple prompt could be, summarize this, especially if you're working with a larger document or extensive research material. After typing your prompt, the next step is to click on Submit. This action engages NotebookLM's functionality to process your prompt and produce a response based on your uploaded source. At this stage, you'll see a response generated by the platform. Scroll to the bottom of this response, and you'll notice an option to Save to Note. Clicking on Save to Note will preserve the processed information directly into your note repository within NotebookLM. Once you have saved your note, navigate to the Notes section. Here, you'll find all your documented notes. Locate the specific note you've just saved. There will be 3 dots next to the note. Click on these to open more options. Among the list of actions, select Convert to Source. This final step transforms your note into a formal source that you can use consistently for future reference or further work. And that's it. You've now successfully transformed your notes in NotebookLM into usable sources. By following these steps, you're not just keeping your information organized, but also ensuring that your work is easily accessible and properly formatted for all your future projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore NotebookLM further to see how these features can fit into your routine seamlessly.